Welcome everyone, hope you're doing great. You're watching Tech Unbox Pro, and today we are taking a deep look at the Infinix Note 30 Pro 5G, a smartphone that aims to deliver premium features at a budget-friendly price. Starting with the design, the Infinix Note 30 Pro 5G looks surprisingly premium. The sleek body, clean back finish, and solid build quality give it a flagship-like feel in hand. Despite being a budget device, it doesn't look or feel cheap at all, which is a big plus. Now let's talk about the display, one of the strongest highlights of this phone. You get a large AMOLED panel with rich colors, deep blacks, and excellent brightness. Whether you're watching videos, scrolling social media, or playing games, the visual experience feels smooth and immersive. The display quality easily stands out in this price segment. Performance-wise, the Infinix Note 30 Pro 5G is powered by a capable MediaTek processor, paired with ample RAM and fast storage. In daily usage, the phone feels smooth and responsive. Apps open quickly, multitasking is handled well, and there are no noticeable lags during normal use. Casual to medium gaming runs fine, and even heavier games are playable with optimized settings. Coming to the camera, Infinix has done a decent job here. The main camera captures sharp images with good color accuracy in daylight. Details are well preserved, and HDR works effectively. Low light performance is respectable for a budget phone, especially with night mode enabled. The front camera is good for selfies and video calls, producing natural-looking skin tones. One of the biggest highlights is the battery and charging. The large battery easily lasts a full day with heavy usage. What makes it even better is the 68W fast charging, which charges the phone extremely quickly. This feature alone makes the Infinix Note 30 Pro 5G stand out against competitors. In terms of software, you get a clean and feature-rich interface with useful customization options. Connectivity, audio quality, and overall optimization are solid, making it a reliable daily driver. So, the big question, is the Infinix Note 30 Pro 5G worth buying? If you're looking for a stylish design, AMOLED display, strong battery life, and ultra-fast charging in a budget 5G phone, this device is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, share it with friends, and subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro for more powerful smartphone reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.